Today I want to walk through the Imperial Elite window. The Imperial Elite series features a full family of products. Everything from double hungs, double and triple sliding windows, casements, awnings, picture windows, even bows and bays. The Imperial Elite features 4 wood grains: a light oak, a dark oak, cherry, and a Brazilian cherry. The window also has 3 solid colors: a soft white, beige, black, 6 standard exterior colors, along with the ability to do the exterior custom colors. By the way, the black interior, black exterior has become a very popular option. The window is 100% virgin vinyl and features our 12-point fusion welded technology. So both the frames and sashes are welded to give you a perfectly square window every single time. As you look at the edges of the interior of the window, you'll notice the amount of visible glass you get with the window. We all want more light in our home while keeping the heat out in the summer and the cold outside during the winter. The window design and glass definitely accomplish this. Another one of the many things that make the Imperial Elite unique is the sill dam. On many windows, the sill dam is open at the bottom, but with our manufacturing technology, we're able to telescope the sill dam right into the frame, so it will never separate, and it will also keep bugs, pollen, dirt, air, and water outside the window. The window also comes with our compound mitered slope sill, so when rain hits the window, the water naturally drains away from the house. The frames and sashes are also foam filled. This helps improve energy efficiency, but an added benefit is the foam helps reduce outside noise. As you look at the window, you'll notice the lift rails extruded right into the window. So it makes the lift rail more durable, and most importantly, it makes the window easy to operate. When we raise the sash, you'll notice these night latches. They come out and allow you to vent the window a few inches with some added security. In addition, our window features the constant force balance system, which makes the window sashes easy to both raise and lower. When we go to unlock the window, you'll see the zinc die-cast locks the Imperial Elite has. The double locks are standard on windows over 24 inches in width, and the window passes the AMA structural forced entry test. In addition, the window boasts a 0.02 air infiltration rate, which blows away the industry acceptable standard of a 0.30. The locks are submerged right into the sash, giving it a very clean appearance. There are also several lock colors available, including white, beige, Pontiac gold, and black. To tilt the window in, you simply unlock the window, raise the sash above the sill dam, and press the tilt latches towards the locks. When we go to tilt the sashes in, the window actually has a safety feature built in that locks the sashes in place so they don't fall out when you're tilting them in. As we look at the inside of the window, you'll notice lots of weather stripping and bulb seals. This helps give the window a tight fit and keeps air and water outside where it belongs. The Imperial Elite window also features a full interlock. So when the window's locked, the interlock draws the window together, giving it a tight fit. That also helps keep Mother Nature out and also gives the window added security. As we turn the window around, you'll also see the beautiful beveled exterior. So when the window is installed, it looks like it belongs in your home. As we move into the glass system, the Imperial Elite comes standard with Super Spacer technology. This spacer system features a non-metallic foam spacer system, which conducts about 8 times less heat and cold versus the other more common standard spacers on the market. It also keeps the outside glass edges warmer, and that means less chance of condensation, especially on those cold winter mornings. There are a number of glass packages available, including dual glass, triple glass, even laminated glass. Because we have different high-performance glass designs specifically for your climate, ask your local Zen representative what the best glass package is for your area. The Imperial Elite comes standard with a locking extruded half screen with fiberglass mesh. The locking screen gives an added layer of outside protection. The Imperial Elite comes standard with our double lifetime limited warranty, which includes a lifetime warranty on the vinyl, all the parts and pieces of the window, and it even includes seal failure along with a glass breakage warranty. Our warranty also includes a lifetime labor warranty. The warranty is also fully transferable, so when the time comes to sell the house, both the product and labor warranty transfer to the new homeowner, and they get to enjoy the same great warranty you had. Finally, the Imperial window has a multitude of options that can be customized and will give you the exact look, feel, and appearance you're wanting for your home.